slime again. And if you watched the last video, you will need glue, contact lens solution, some baking soda, and acrylic paint, or whatever paint you want, and some water, spoon to mix with, and a bowl. Okay, but first, you're going to start out by taking your blue glue and add as much glue as you want. As much glue as you add, as much slime as you will get. So, yeah, I want this much, which is not much, and I'm going to take my spoon and get a half tablespoon of baking soda. It's like that much. Okay. Then I'm going to add my paint. Oh, forgot to shake it. There you go, it should be. There you go. That's the kind of like paint color I'm using. You can see, and then I'm going to add my water. I want mine pretty like slimy, so yeah. Don't add a lot of paint if you're using paint, because I made a red one, but then it literally, because I added a lot of paint, I made a red one, and it literally stained everything. So there you go, that's a nice pretty pink color. Then, time for the magic to happen. The contact lens solution is what makes it slime. Some of that, okay. Then start mixing it, and it will clump together right away. Just keep adding some to your mixture. That should be kind of enough. Just add a little bit more while I'm mixing. There we go. Yeah, it needs more. Okay. There we go. You can see that's the slime. Very loud because of the stirring that I'm doing. Because, yeah. Okay. Yep. Here. Blow it on my hands before I pick it up. There you go. Put the spoon on the side. Then just mix up and knead it. So, yeah. Pretty cool slime. Just like that. It's very watery. Very, very watery. Add a lot of water. Just add a little bit more of this on top of the whole thing. There you go. It's really, really watery. Like, oh my god. Kind of like putty-like too. A little bit, but there you go. That's so cool. Kind of like putty-like. If you rip it, but it goes back together. Just like that. And let's see if it stains anything. Nope. Okay. After you're done, you might want to like work with it and just like knead it and stuff. I may have added a lot of water, too much water, but yeah, this one's really cool. Look, I'm just gonna add a tad bit more. One drop of it, just to look at when I stick my 2 fingers in it. It's like, okay. So my name is Danica Ruiz, and check out my other videos. Yeah. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Like totally, guys. Stay cool. I got this inspiration from Cute Life Hacks. Go check our videos out. It's the name of the channel. But, of course, really check my videos out, too. So, yeah. My channel is called Danica. And my name is Danica Ruiz. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Making slime. Cool slime. And I actually... Yo. I'm getting covered with slime. No. Those are my napkins right now. So, yeah. Stay. Okay. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed, guys. This video of me making slime. so cool. Slime, slime, slime. And I'll probably, if we can get 14 subscribers, do a mixing all my slimes video. So I'm going to make a lot of more slime. So yeah, we need like a few ingredients to make this beautiful slime. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. Goodbye.